September 30th, 1935, the day President Franklin D. Roosevelt dedicated the dam. On the terrazzo floor you were standing on, embedded are 209 metal discs.
So as I said earlier, but I was with my headphones plugged in, so the sound didn't go through. So they were talking about the 12 zodiacs actually, and something was symbol of America, something very interesting. So they're talking about like Egyptian, something for the Egyptians matter. So this one is like a symbol for Americans. Interesting. Oh yes, the zodiacs. Wow.
Civilizations would find their way here, and with no other means of communicating, might look upon this monument and determine the exact date on which the engineers and craftsmen of our culture completed it.
This is the last one. Areas.
To assist these future visitors, the sculpture also created a celestial watch, or wheel of time.
And the rest
The
of
yellow
them.
mark on the floor is actually a
Very
complete circle, showing 26,000 Earth years, or one great year.
26,000 Earth years. Okay. They're talking about astronomy. Absolutely spot on.